The fourth sort of the determiner is the determiner sum. The object specified by the determiner sum is the secondly specified object whose number or quantity is little among the firstly specified object by the speaker. The determiner sum specifies the object more sophisticatedly than the determiner any to specify a part of the object that is unspecified, because the speaker sets the range of the object indicated by the noun or the pronoun and sets an internal part of the object again with the determiner sum. The definitions of the determiner any and the determiner sum are the same, but whether the speaker sets the prior range of the object to be indicated by the noun described by the determiner any or some
or not,
maybe the point
for
the speaker
to choose
which determiner the speaker
is going to apply
in a statement. There is a clause, he told me to give you some meals. From the application of the determiner sum, the listeners can understand that the number of the object indicated by the general noun meal
in this clause
is little, and there are predetermined
range of the object indicated by the general noun meal.
The object indicated by the general noun meals are firstly specified object by the speaker in the conversation with the listeners because of the description by the determiner sum. The determiner sum specifies a part of the object whose number is little among the firstly specified objects, like the menus in the paper are
suggested,
and we can choose a part of meals among the listed menus. There is a second clause, I don't want some chocolate in the bag. This clause is stated in the negative statement. The speaker applies the determiner sum. The listeners can understand that the object indicated by the general noun chocolate are predetermined. The speaker gives this information with the application of the phrase of the preposition in the bag. We can understand that there are some chocolate in the bag, and the speaker as the subject states this clause about the determined
range of the
chocolate. The general noun chocolate indicates the specified object with the description about a place by the phrase of the preposition in the bag. When the speaker tells this or the clause in the conversation, the speaker signifies the fact that the speaker is aware of his own intention to indicate a part of the object among the specified object indicated by the general noun chocolate. So the speaker specifies the object indicated by the general noun chocolate with the determiner sum.
The denial by the phrase of the transitive verb do not want can be applied to the determiner sum, the general noun chocolate, and the phrase of the preposition in the bag. So we can think of these three questions. Do you want many chocolates in the bag? Do you want some candies in the bag? And do you want some chocolates in the other bag? The interpretation of this clause can be varied. In each interpretation, we can understand that the speaker knows the predetermined range of the chocolate in the bag and the specified range of the chocolate from the application of the determiner some for the general noun chocolate.
So, we can understand this clause. I don't want any chocolate. In this clause, the speaker as the subject might want to deliver his intent that he does not
want
chocolate at all. And we can also think of this clause. I don't want any chocolates in the bag. This clause may tell us that the speaker
indicate the overall chocolate as the unspecified range of the object. We can understand that the speaker focuses on the entire object before the focus of the speaker is specified into a part of the object.
And the speaker who states this clause, I don't want any chocolates in the bag. No matter what's inside the bag, the speaker does not want the chocolate in the bag. There is the third clause. Did you see some books on the shelf? This clause is stated in the interrogative clause, and the speaker applies the determiner some for the object indicated by the general noun books. And there is a phrase of a preposition on the shelf. This description by the phrase of the preposition on the shelf tells the listeners that the object indicated by the general noun books are specified.
Precedingly, before the speaker states this interrogative clause, we can understand that a part of the books that the speaker set as the entire object is indicated in this clause.
The speaker states the interrogative clause about the specified object
indicated by the general noun books.
The object indicated by the general noun books are a part of the specified object with the description about a place by the phrase of the preposition on the shelf. When the speaker tells the clause in the conversation, so the speaker specifies the object indicated by the general noun books with the determiner some. Let's think of this clause. Did you see any books
on the shelf?
The speaker who states this interrogative clause may
indicate the entire range of the object indicated by the general noun book as the unspecified object. The focus of the speaker for the object indicated by the general noun was not deepened into a part of the entire object. So we can understand that the application of the determiner any to reveal that the range of the object is not predetermined by the speaker as a premise was suitable.
The fifth sort of a determiner is the determiner few. The determiner few specifies the object indicated by the general noun as
The determiner few
signifies that the number of the object is thin. The determiner few that has the trait of the pronoun indicates the object specified by the determiner few as
The determiner few
signifies that the number of the object is countable but thin. There is a clause. I read few magazines. The speaker reveals the fact that the
general
noun described by the determiner few is classified as a general noun whose number is countable. And the speaker reveals that the number of the object indicated by the general noun magazine is small from
the definition
of the determiner few, and this determiner few can be applied as an indication with the application of the determiner, that is the indefinite article all. The determiner, that is the indefinite article all, and the indication few for a phrase
of few
of the pronoun few, and the phrase of the pronoun of few is applied as an specification of the subject or object indicated by a general noun, like the way that the first name specifies a part of the family indicated by the family name. Thank you for watching.